In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a video in Microsoft Forms step by step so you can make your forms more engaging and interactive. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account and that you've already created the form where you want to add the video. Once that's ready, open your form in Microsoft Forms. You can do this from your recent forms list or by going to the Forms homepage and selecting the form you want to work on. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct form, especially if you have several similar ones. With your form open, look at the area where you add your questions. You'll see the usual options to add new questions like multiple choice or text. To begin adding a video, click the button labeled Add New. This is the same button you would normally use to add a new question, but in this case, we're going to expand it to access more options. After you click Add New, you'll notice additional choices appear. Look for an option that says Media and then choose Video. Depending on your screen size, you might see a small icon, or you may need to click an additional menu like the three dots to find it. Once you select Video, Microsoft Forms will open a panel that allows you to bring in a video from an online source. Now it's time to choose the video you want to use. You have two main options here. You can paste a direct video link, or you can search for a video. If you already have a link to a video, such as one hosted on a supported video platform, copy that link and paste it into the box provided. Give it a second and you should see a preview of the video appear. This is a good moment to verify that you've grabbed the right link and that the video loads correctly. If you don't have a specific link yet, you can use the search option. Type in keywords related to the video topic you're looking for and browse the results that appear. When you find a suitable video, select it. Try to choose a video that is clear, concise, and appropriate for your audience, since this will be embedded directly into your form question. Once you've either pasted your link or selected a video from the search results, go ahead and insert the video into the question. Microsoft Forms will embed it right into the question area. You'll now see a thumbnail or preview of the video, along with the usual fields where you can type the question text and add any supporting instructions. At this point, you can customize the question just like any other. Add a clear question or prompt above the video, such as asking viewers to watch the clip and then respond. You can also adjust the question type, for example, making it multiple choice, rating, or open text, depending on how you want respondents to answer. Finally, use the preview option in Microsoft Forms to test your form. Switch to preview mode and make sure the video appears correctly, loads as expected, and looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Once everything looks right, your video is successfully added and ready for your respondents to watch and interact with.